ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we have a fabulous unboxing from the line Gershon and Bram.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, another absolutely gorgeous package came, and it's Gershon and Bram. So
Treasure pieces.
Treasure pieces.
Treasure pieces.
It's like they're almost like curated museum pieces, like an art gallery piece, you know? I have a few by now. I look in my closet and I love looking at them.
Yeah, and they're great though. They incorporate into everyday wear, which is amazing. But I must say too, ladies, when we're buying, a lot of these lines have extensive amounts of designs. It's almost overwhelming.
It is.
But this collection is very small and it is dynamite.
Dynamite. Every piece is a knockout.
Yeah, and that's why we only carry not many pieces. So this is what we've picked for this season. Are you ready?
I am.
First of all, look at you.
Wow.
Beautiful bright scarf.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
It's a rainy, dark day today, and I thought I'd bring in some yellow sunshine.
Nice. Love this piece.
I love this piece.
I know. This is a unique one from Soriglio.
I keep on picking it. I keep on picking it out.
With the ball.
I absolutely love it.
It's unique. I love this purple on you from Luca collection.
Thank you. I like it too.
Yes. It's gorgeous.
Free size, right?
Yes, and on this rainy day, I wanted to be cozy. So I picked this beautiful blondie sweater, ladies. It is so cozy. We have it in 3 colors. French terry, nice and cozy. And there's navy, and there's sort of like a taupey brown. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I have the Soriglio. I thought that would be a nice pop.
Yeah, I like those. Yes.
Yeah. And you have your beautiful bangle on from
look how nice that is.
Ziska
Love
with
that
the
color
purple.
combo.
Love it. And the beautiful polka dot earrings.
Yeah.
You're just like, get in the box. Forget about it.
Exactly. I can't
like,
wait.
Ladies.
Let's get on with it.
You're going to love it. There's a lot of classic pieces in here. Black. Sorry, ladies, black.
Oh,
but
love.
A beautiful shirt.
Oh.
It's viscose and poly, but it feels like cotton, to be honest.
Yeah, it does.
It's a very nice, light.
Just like cotton and silk, actually. It's so
it does.
Soft.
It is so soft.
Beautiful.
It's got a nice crinkle to it, which is set into the fabric.
Yeah.
Travel, amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Wash and wear.
Yeah.
Machine wash, cold, delicate, hang to dry.
Beautiful lines.
And the back, look at, there's pleats here, Mom.
Oh, yes.
See that?
Yeah.
And then this beautiful deep pocket.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice, very nice sculpted slits. Reinforced.
Yeah.
Beautiful color.
It's a gorgeous shirt.
Gorgeous.
We could not resist. And, of course,
a side pocket and a back. So you've got your 2 hands are covered.
2. And look, white.
Oh.
A beautiful white classic shirt.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, for the festive days too.
It's gorgeous, yeah.
Just with,
a vest, anything really.
A skinny pant. Yeah.
Jeans would be cool too.
Jeans, very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Over our tank dress.
Oh my goodness.
With a belt.
Yes.
Open.
Yeah.
Be awesome.
With tights and a long tank.
Yes.
And your booty.
And booties,
One
really
of the
cool
booties. That we have.
Oh. Yeah, awesome.
Endless.
Endless. Okay, ladies, so it is
in a short version.
Same beautiful
it's
fabric.
A little different. The design. Look at the cute little mandarin
collar.
Oh, and these lovely. Look at these pockets. That's why they're so. They're not stitched on, but they're hanging. They're floating.
Awesome.
See all those little details that make it, you know.
And look at the back.
Oh, gorgeous with the little pleat in the middle.
I know.
Yeah, a little longer in the back.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Ladies, I cannot tell you how great this fabric feels. The quality is there.
Oh.
The fabrics are bar none. Black and white, white and black.
Oh.
Look at this piece.
Oh my gosh. This gives me a Japanese feel, you know? The design of the fabric, the pattern on the fabric, and the design of the jacket. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful. I'd love to style this one up.
I think, I think I have my dips on it.
Fight over it.
Yeah, I'm holding on to it. I'm holding on to it.
You could incorporate these in so many different ways.
So many different ways. Yeah. First of all, this jacket would go over all of them, basically. The short one, the long one, the black and the white.
But yeah, don't be afraid to.
Tank dress.
Tank dress, nice pair of blue denim jeans.
Totally.
Black skinny jeans would be amazing. pencil skirt.
Yeah.
Any of the polo tricot skirts.
Oh yeah, the long skirts that we have so many of now. Skirts. Is there more?
There's 2 more pieces and I cannot wait.
Oh, what? Do tell.
This is a tunic, ladies.
Oh my goodness.
And it is fabulous. It feels amazing.
Oh wow.
And
Tessa.
look at the detail in the back. They have this rib knit going through it. And
oh,
it's off center,
love.
Which I
yes,
love how
love
unique
off
that
center,
is.
yeah.
Great.
Love it.
Crinkled, crushed fabric.
Yeah.
That's set in.
Nice cuff. Double faced.
Yes, double face. So you have.
And look at the hem,
self fabric.
Also double faced.
Nice, thick. It's important to have that weight.
And a little narrow it around the knees, right?
Yeah. And then last but not least, ladies, look at this brocade fabric.
Look at that.
It is beautiful.
Oh my goodness. And this amazing
ribbed
turtleneck.
I cannot wait to style this up for you ladies.
Oh, and then they brought your hip back in the cuff.
Yeah. See all these little details that are just dynamite.
Gorgeous. Wow.
Beautiful pockets here.
Yeah.
Great little style pockets on the front.
Gorgeous.
Ribbed knit on the bottom.
Yeah.
And a beautiful side
love
slit.
the slit.
I know.
That is such a cute look, you know, when you see your pants or your skirt or whatever you're wearing underneath.
Yeah.
It's like a little peekaboo.
And look at the back.
Ah.
The ribs coming in again with a strip all the way down the back.
Yeah. Great. Yeah. This too for traveling. Eh?
I know. Like I could wear that every day.
Yeah.
All of these pieces I could wear.
All of me too.
I could see myself wearing all of those pieces.
So these sizes, how does Gershon Bram go again? Extra small, small?
Yes, in the tunics, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, extra, extra large. The jacket starts at a size small, going up to a double X, and the shirts as well.
Starting as a small, going up to an extra.
Yes. Yeah, small to double X.
Yeah, so great. So lovely. As excited as we are, my goodness, you know, we are fortunate women to have these gorgeous pieces pass us by.
I know, they're amazing.
And
it feels amazing, it looks amazing.
Passing them on to you, it's great.
Yes. So watch out tomorrow, we're going to style it up together, a duo. Hopefully we can get Charlie in the mix there to join us. What do you think, Char?
He's a little affected by the weather, lovelies. He's afraid it's going to thunder. You're going to be fine, Charlie.
He's on edge. He's on edge.
He's on edge.
All right. Watch us tomorrow. And what else do we have going on this week? We have a mix and match with Lousje.
Yeah,
we have a Friday favorites. And I have a special announcement on Saturday.
Yes.
All right, ladies. Have an amazing day.
And as always, keep on smiling.